I am not here. I am not here. What dumbasses, dude. I swear to God. What dumbasses. You spin me right round, right. I tried. I tried to be so cool. Ah, fuck it. Machine gun turret. Why not? Why the fuck not? See, the guy AI, dude. That's no fun, though. This is gonna be it, right? It's gonna be like the final four of cars. Get out of here, dude. Yeah. You have a small wee-wee. It's okay, though. We forgive you. We forgive you. Like, I am not even trying to shoot anybody in the car. I actually changed that. I might shoot this guy. Yeah, screw it. I'm doing it. Yeah. Did that. Mission completed. You're in VA. It's 97 today with a heat index of 112. See, that's not that bad, though. I was in Florida. I was in Florida for a week, and that wasn't the bad weather. It was hot, humid. I don't give a shit. Felt good. Ooh, I missed. Reload. Beep, beep. Sorry, I'm trying to reach you by a car extended warranty here. Excuse me, sir. Oh, no. Oh, I missed my... Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. People, there's so many people here, people. I don't know what to do anymore.
Save me, Jewish Jesus.
Exactly. I don't know what to do anymore, people. I'm scared. Help me. I don't know how to play Fortnite. I don't know how to play Fortnite.